In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a job board on your Wix website. To get started, sign into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, and it's where you'll manage the tools and features needed to build your careers section. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are working on the correct site if you manage more than one. Next, go to the Apps section in the left-hand menu and select App Market. The App Market is where Wix offers extra features that you can add to expand your website's functionality without needing to build anything from scratch. This is the easiest way to add a dedicated job board to your site. In the App Market search bar, type in Careers Page and Job Board. Then select the app from the results when you've found the right app. Click Add to Site. Wix will begin installing it for you automatically. At this stage, just wait a few seconds while the app is added to your website. The setup usually happens quickly, so you won't need to do much during this part. Once the app has been added, you can start customizing your job board. This is where you make the careers page fit your business and your hiring process. Begin by editing your job listings so each role is clearly described and easy for applicants to understand. You can also organize openings into categories, which is especially helpful if you are hiring for multiple departments or locations. A well-organized job board makes it easier for visitors to find the positions that match their skills. After that, review and customize the application fields. This allows you to decide what information candidates should submit when applying. Keeping these fields relevant and straightforward can help improve the quality of applications and create a smoother experience for visitors using your site. When everything looks the way you want, go ahead and publish your changes. Publishing makes your new careers page live, so visitors can start viewing your job openings and applying directly through your website. Before you finish, it's a good idea to quickly preview the page and make sure the layout, wording, and application flow all look correct. And that's it. Thanks for watching.